what you see next to me is the government high school,
Yeah.
secondary school at Palyam. So there were initially 250 people stacked up in this area. So by operating various shifts of these boats, we kept on taking 10, 10, 10, 15 together. And now presently we have only 10 people today.
Okay.
So how did these people survive in this 4-5 days? The sinking helicopter dropped food packets from the dock.
Just like they did today.
Yeah, just like they did now.
വോളണ്ടിയേഴ്സ് ആണോ ഈ സ്കൂളിലത്തെ കുട്ടികളാണോ?
ഈ സ്കൂളിലെ